The maritime industry's ongoing digitalisation is changing the way the industry has traditionally operated. At Bureau Veritas, we have developed a digital classification approach to support the safety and the efficiency of your business operation. Remote inspection techniques, remote surveys, 3D classification, predicted and optimised survey plans. Today, let's explore predicted and optimised survey and how our digital solution can help you switch from continuous survey to planned maintenance system. What used to be done on site a ship is being more and more digitalised. Today, we will introduce a new platform which will simplify how we interact for your planned maintenance system approval and audits. Discover the new BV Machinery Maintenance digital capability. We are moving from a 5-year survey periodicity not integrated with your maintenance plan, requiring a specific follow-up with potential mistakes and double booking, to a strategy based on running hours recommended by the manufacturers. You can save time and simplify your interaction with Bureau Veritas, providing solid analytics, supporting your decision. It's a new class experience, helping you to progress towards condition-based monitoring. Let us show you how it works. First, access Veristar Info, the single entry point to share your vessel information. Step 1. Send your maintenance organisation, equipment details and maintenance management plan. You can also import your equipment details from your connected maintenance system. Step 2. You share online your manufacturer's manuals. Step 3. BV receives your data directly and proceeds with the review to support your maintenance plan finalisation. Annual audit preparation and execution is reduced thanks to embedded data analytics. We can focus on what is really important and support your maintenance optimization. Don't waste any more time or money. Access today Veristar Info or get in touch with your BV contact to receive further information.